Hi, I'm Jeremy Lazarus. I'm a master trainer of NLP. I've been training NLP since 2000, and prior to that, I had an 18-year career in business and finance. And one of the things that really interests me is people's behavior and what leads them to do certain behaviors or to not do certain behaviors. Perhaps you've found situations where people act in a way that you think, why did you respond that way as opposed to a different way? In my opinion, one of the key determinants of people's behavior is what we call in NLP values. Their values. Values can be defined as what motivates someone, what interests them, what they want, what they look for in any particular situation. And values are incredibly useful in areas such as selling or influencing, whether that's selling goods, products and services, or selling ideas and concepts to perhaps colleagues at work. Values are also useful for managing people, for making decisions, for building teams and effective teamwork, for dealing with conflicts and misunderstandings. There are lots of uses for values. One particular thing I'm going to invite you to do is to think of a situation where you want to influence someone. It could be a colleague, it could be a prospective client, it could be a family member. And to think about what's important to that person or those people about that particular situation. So for example, let's say you're looking to influence a colleague at work. If you know what's important to him or her about that particular situation, think about how you could present your idea or your ideas in terms of how it's going to help them to have what they want from the situation. In other words, how it's going to align with their values. Because if you can demonstrate how what you're offering is going to help someone have what they want and what's important to them, then you're much more likely to be able to influence them. Enjoy.